Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov 2 September merilis serangan sporadis pasukan Kyiv kembali gagal di sejumlah titik termasuk dari arah Nikolaev Krivoy Rog. Formasi tempur pesawat, pasukan rudal, dan artileri pasukan Dirgantara Rusia menimbulkan kerugian yang signifikan pada unit dan pasukan cadangan Ukraina. Hanya dalam satu hari operasi tempur, musuh kehilangan 13 tank, 19 kendaraan tempur infanteri, 12 kendaraan lapis baja lainnya, 11 pikap dengan senapan mesin kaliber besar dan lebih dari 330 prajurit, 2 militan ditawan, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Secara total, 283 pesawat Ukraina dan 151 helikopter, 1.864 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 372 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 4.711 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 823 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.364 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 5.217 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konasenkov. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis 350 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 48.700 prajurit Federasi Rusia dan sekutu tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari 191, 2 September. Kemenhan Ukraina merilis video bantuan alat tempur dari negara barat termasuk Polandia. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky menjanjikan perlawanan sengit mengusir penjajah Rusia.
Kyiv regime continues its unsuccessful attempts to gain a foothold in certain areas in Nikolaev-Krivoy Rog direction. Russian aerospace forces, aircraft, missile troops and artillery inflict significant losses on Ukrainian units and reserves. In just one day of combat operations, the enemy has lost 13 tanks, 19 infantry fighting vehicles, 12 other armored vehicles, 11 pickups with large-caliber machine guns and over 330 servicemen. 2 militants are taken prisoner. 2 Ukrainian Su-25 assault aircraft and 1 MiG-29 fighter, which had been re-equipped to use US high-speed anti-radiation missiles, have been shot down near Andreevka, Kherson region. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have hit a temporary deployment point of the 17th Tank Brigade near Bereznevata and hangars with weapons and military equipment of the 46th Air Mobile Brigade near Belaya Kryvnitsa, Nikolaev region. The attacks have resulted in the destruction of up to 40 nationalists and 10 units of military equipment. In addition, command staff of the 56th Motorized Infantry Brigade has been destroyed to the east of Mikhailovka, Donetsk People's Republic. High-precision strike of the Russian aerospace forces on the command posts has killed 18 servicemen, including 12 officers, and wounded 31 others. Due to heavy losses, the personnel of units of the 110th Mechanized Brigade occupying positions near Avdiivka and Opytne in Donetsk People's Republic refused to perform combat tasks and abandoned their positions. Concentrated strikes on combat positions of the 60th Infantry Brigade near Dobryanka and Novovorontsovka in Kherson region have killed more than 30 nationalists and wounded up to 15. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strike continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 1 platoon of Ilham multiple launch rocket systems near Novomariivka in Nikolaev region, 8 armed forces of Ukraine command posts in near Dachna in Kharkov region, Alexandrovka, Artyomovsk and Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Verkhnya Tersa in Zaporozhye region, Belaya Kryvnitsa, Velikaya Artakova and Bashtanka in Nikolaev region, as well as 42 artillery units and 134 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit. 6 missile and artillery weapon depots near Kharkov, Sirkuni and Andreevka in Kharkov region, Seversk, Solidar in Donetsk People's Republic and Dobra in Nikolaev region. 1 Buk M1 surface-to-air missile launcher has been destroyed near Voskresensk in Donetsk Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 12 unmanned aerial vehicles near Yakovenkovo, Борщевка in Kharkov region, Благодатная, Styla, and Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Nestyryanka, Kopani in Zaporozhye region, as well as Zelený Gай in Kherson region. One US-made high-speed anti-radiation missile has been shot down near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. 14 shells of American HIMARS multiple launch rocket system have been intercepted near Styla in Donetsk People's Republic, Kherson, Pereslav, and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 283 Ukrainian airplanes and 151 helicopters, 1,864 unmanned aerial vehicles, 372 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,711 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 823 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,364 field artillery and mortars, as well as 5,217 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.